Hello everyone. Welcome back to the series of TimingVision Pro tool. So till now we have covered the six parts. You can find all of the parts in the playlist. This is part number seven. So in the last part of this tool, we have covered the debugger console, how the debug console works, how it is extracting errors, warnings, and giving me the, so much information related to the log file. So now we will move to our one more part, which I have missed in previous part, which was clock tree analysis. So this is the 3D clock tree analysis for user to understand how the clock tree is built. So if I am moving just this, you can see here that clock tree is moving like so. Here I have added so much things for a user to understand. So you can see here that it is showing just like it is started from the PLL, then buffers. So like that, it is having the source and endpoint. Along with this, you can see that we have an option to increase the buffer from the slider. We have the optimization mode as well and animation propagation. So by clicking this, it will animate how the clock tree is forming on this path and showing user to understand how the clock tree is building. If I'm adding the just like you can see I'm just sliding the buffers and along with this so many buffers I have been added and I can even reduce it. So it will give user to understand much more information. Yeah. So even it is having the okay, it is having the low timing path also. So if I'm clicking on just animate propagation part. So you can see here that animation has been started from PLL to both of the buffers and then all of the buffers at the end source. And along with this, it is showing me the clock propagation delay also. So right now I have stopped the animation propagation part. So you can see here by adding this, you can see I've added these many flip-flops, flip-flop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new flip-flops and which are placed like this in the 3D map. They are connected to, you can see that so much flip-flop has been added. Along with this, we have the skew heat map. How many fan outs we have if I'm just reducing it. So you can see it is on the by default. So if I'm clicking on this right now, then jitter impact also it is there. If I'm just clicking on this animation part, so now the clock tree animation will work on new added flip-flop as well. So this is how I have built this clock tree animation. So thank you so much for this part. We will meet again for the upcoming parts. Thank you.